Good morning, students. Welcome back in video session classes. Today, I discuss computer system. This is also chapter computer system. This is the first chapter. Today, I discuss MCQ related question answer and short and the long question answer. Class 3, Part 4. Topic MCQ and short question with answer. First question, take the correct answer. A. Take the correct answer. Take the correct answer. A का A first. Which of these a not a type of computer? I already discussed what is the type of computer, how many types of computer. Supercomputer is not a type of computer. 4. Supercomputer. B. Which part of the CPU coordinates the movement of data? Movement of data, control unit. B. C. During which part of IPO cycle data is entered into the computer system? IPO cycle means input process output. Data enter for the inputter. Option 1. B. Which computer are used to know weather forecast? Supercomputer, the very powerful computer. This computer is used only for the weather forecasting. So answer is for supercomputer. E. Giving information to the computer using keyboard or mouse is known as. Giving information to the computer using keyboard or mouse is known as, because the mouse and keyboard are known as to the input device, not to process output device and not to the processing data. This is the answer number 1. This is the first question complete. B. Fill in the blanks using fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A. Blank are the most popular and multi-purpose computer. Microcomputer are the most popular and the multi-purpose computer because they computer are used for the school, college and a small organization. So first, this is the first microcomputer. Microcomputer. B. Supercomputer are used for doing. Supercomputer are used for doing satellite control. Satellite control. C. Blank is one of the supercomputer designed by the India. Param 10,000. Param 10,000. D. Computer works in input IPO cycle, input process output cycle. That means the IPO cycle. E. Supercomputer are most usually used for complex operation. E. Complex. This is the second question. Number C. Match of the following: A microcomputer, A का सेकेंड, बी सुपर कंप्यूटर फास्टेस्ट कंप्यूटर, बी का फोर्थ, सी मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर यूज्ड इन बैंक एंड रेलवे, सी वन, एंड द डी मिनी कंप्यूटर used for a small organization, and the third D. Answer the following as true or false. All computer are of the a small size and type. No. False. C. Match the following. Match the following. D. Answer the true and false. Answer the following. True or false. A. All computers are of a small size and type. Wrong. All computers are not for the small size. False. Mini computers are more capable than microcomputer. Yes. Mini computers are more capable than microcomputer. C. ALU control the working of computer system. Not. ALU not control. CU control the working of computer system. This is the false. D. The result given by the computer are called output. Yes. The data enter input and the result output. The result proceed. This is the output. True. And the E. Mainframe computer are much faster than microcomputer. Yes. True. The all MCQ completed. Next question, question number E. Answer the following question. Answer the following questions. Which type of computer are used in home or school? My dear student, I have already discussed this types of computer. Microcomputer. Microcomputer. This is of your answer. Microcomputer used in schools, office, shop, etc. This is of your answer. Question number B. Which type of computer is more capable? Mini or mainframe? This is the mainframe computer is the more capable. Mainframe computer. What is a mainframe computer? Mainframe computer are the most powerful computer. I write down the answer. This is the most powerful computer and mainly used by big organization like बैंक, रेलवे, etc. This is of your answer. Question number C. Describe the working of computer system. Working cycle of computer system. My dear student, working cycle of computer system are known as IPO cycle. IPO cycle means I means input, I have already discussed. P means process and O means output. This is the IPO cycle. Working system is also known as IPO cycle. This is the last. Name the different part of CPU. There are three part of CPU. First ALU, second CU, and third MU. ALU, CU, control unit, or MU, memory unit. This is the end of your chapter. With question answer, any doubt, please ask. Thank you so much.